guys, Gabby here, and today we are doing a cosplay makeup tutorial for Yo from Love Live. Over on my Instagram, I had you guys vote for which idol character you would like to see a makeup tutorial on first, and Yo won significantly. No one else really had a chance. Y'all really wanted a Yo tutorial. A Yo-torial, if you will. So I'm recreating my look that I wore from my aquarium Yo photo shoot. I'll insert some images here. And this look is surprisingly simple to do, if you can believe that. It really is just a few different colors just blended together, and it is really simple. I really want this to be a simple, easy to follow look, so keep on watching. Should I have ironed this out? Probably. But I haven't yet because it's brand new. So I already started with my circle lenses in, which are the Super Crystal Blue from Honey Color. I will link them down below. By the way, I put one in and then it went back in my eye and then came back down. Hated that. Do not recommend that. But yeah, so I did that, and then I put on just foundation and powder because my skin is not super great at the moment. You probably can't tell because I have a new little ring light, which helps everything. But yeah, I put on my foundation already. I can link the products I use down below as well. I'm still kind of looking for like a foundation I like, because I find that most foundations just either don't match my skin tone, and if they do match my skin tone, they're really drying. So we're going to start with kind of the eye area first, and I'm going to start by doing my brows. I'm just going to go with some light brown brow products. So I'm going to start by just taking a brow mascara and kind of filling in and making the shape I want, and then going in with a pencil and filling that in later. Alright, so I'd say that's the brows. That's usually what I do for like natural light brown blondish characters. So to kind of start the whole eye look, I usually go in with like a primer or concealer and put that on my eyelids, and then I set that with just like a neutral or like cream colored powder. For the eyeshadow, I don't know if you can super tell in the photos, but I kind of did like a light blue sparkly look for Aquarium Yo, and that's kind of what I'm basing my makeup today off of, even though I'm just wearing like a t-shirt and I don't feel like putting the cosplay on. So I'm going to be using, again, it's another NYX product. I really like NYX. NYX is great, okay? And I'm using their Ultimate Brights palette, and so we're going to be using a lot of this row of blues right here. They're super pigmented. I love this palette. And so I'm just going in with like a smallish brush, and I'm going to take this like mint color, this like first color right here, and I'm just gonna go in and kind of put that along the crease, kind of bring it above the crease, and just kind of blend it out around the eye. You'll see what I mean. I'm probably not explaining this well. I can't tell. For me, when I watch makeup videos, I usually kind of watch them and see how they do it rather than listening. But I'm giving you both options if you're more of like an auditory learner or like a visual learner. I'm here to help. So after that lighter blue, we're going to go in with this like, so we started with this light blue, we're going to skip this blue, and we're actually going to go with this kind of like, I don't know what kind of blue to call this, because I feel like it's not going to help me to describe it, but this kind of mid-tone blue color, and again, going to take it on the same brush. However, we're going to apply it more concentrated on the crease itself and that outer V area, and kind of blend it into the mint color. Now I'm going in with a more like pointed, not tapered, is it pointed or tapered? What's the right word to use? Brush. And I'm going to take that darkest blue right here in the palette, and it's kind of sparkly too, and that's really going to go just right in the outer part right here. That's only where you want to put it. So taking that like cream colored powder again, I'm going to go in with just like a little brush, and I'm going to gently kind of blend out the top part and apply that up to the brow bone just to create a smooth transition. To help the kind of like shimmery eyeshadow we're going to apply later adhere better, I'm going to go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm also going to line my waterline while we're here. If you don't like that, I'm sorry, I have to do it. But yeah, we're going to do that. So I'm going to take the pencil and kind of bring it up on the lid to make that like a nice blank surface, bring it in the inner corner and the inner waterline, and then line the waterline itself. And then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Pigment. It's like a champagne shimmering color. And I don't know if they technically still make these. I don't know if they're discontinued, but I love it. And really any shimmery champagne silver eyeshadow will do here. And then what I would recommend doing is taking like that minty blue or the lightest color of your like color family, and then kind of just going in and blending the edges where you applied the white and the shimmery color, just to kind of make it blend a little more naturally, if that makes sense. So I will not be doing my eyeliner and putting on my false lashes on camera, just because for me it's really difficult to do and I need total concentration to do so. So I'm gonna go sit at my desk and apply that. I will show you the products I use though when I come back. And now with lashes and liner, everything looks slightly more normal. But basically lashes like these that are like spiky and super dark are kind of my favorite to use. And I put them kind of in the middle of my eye and pull them out just to make the eye look longer. And then for eyeliner, like I said, I use the NYX Epic Ink pen liner. Now onto the last bits, which are kind of just like some face things and the lips, and we're almost done. We are almost done. How exciting is that? So now I'm gonna go in just with a contour. This is the Wet n Wild contour palette. Yes, I shattered the cream side completely, so I only have the brown. And so I'm just gonna really lightly apply it just because I have really fair skin and contour can look ridiculous on me. But I like doing it, because sometimes it helps my egg head look like less of an egg. And now we're going with blush. This is my favorite pink blush ever. It's from ColourPop. It's the strawberry blush. I'm just going in with a blush brush and I'm going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and kind of close to the eye area just because I think that looks super cute. Now for highlight, I'm using the ColourPop highlighter in Showtime. This is one of my absolute favorites, if it will focus. It's like got these like hints of pink in it and I think it looks super pretty. I'm obsessed with this highlighter. And so I'm just going in with this small brush I have and kind of just applying it to the tops of my cheeks, down the nose, and on the cupid's bow just to make those areas pop. I also will apply it like on my brow bone just to make the eyes kind of more cohesive with the face. Oh, I realized something super important that I forgot to do. Mascara! You might want to do this. Especially for blending out your false lashes with your natural lashes, and I like to apply it on the bottom to make those lashes pop as well, just because I don't like false bottom lashes. I've tried them, I'm not a huge fan, but yeah, so just go in with your favorite mascara. Super recommend something waterproof. For lips, I have two products that I really like using. I have this like matte pink lipstick from NYX, which is just like a super natural color. And then I'm gonna go over top that with this, like, y'all have probably seen these like clear lipsticks with the flowers in them. I'm obsessed with this. It is a really pretty color. You'll see once it's on, it kind of is like a reddish pink color. So what I like to do is kind of go in with this and follow my lip shape, and then take that redder color and put that in the center of the lip. Now I'm going to put on my Yo wig so you can kind of see the finished product. No, I'm going to not put on the entire aquarium cosplay just because I'm chilling right now and I want to be comfy, and I feel like this is a very Yo t-shirt. I feel like it's very Yo. What do you think? So here is the finished look with the wig. I have not worn this wig in like almost a year, so I apologize that she doesn't look her best, but it's nice wearing a short wig. Oh, this is pleasant. I also love this color like way too much. It's so cute. I will say though, for aquarium I did wear glitter on my face, and so I do have my Uniglitter to show you guys. This is my favorite cosmetic glitter to use. I'm gonna take this around so I can show you more close up. Come on, focus on the glitter. This is Angel Iridescent. It is my absolute favorite just because it's a super shimmery iridescent white, and I highly recommend it just because it adds that extra little glint if you are looking for a more like sparkly idol look. However, today I'm not wearing Uniglitter because I'm just going as casual Yo. This hat does not fit my head with a wig on because I have too much hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you found this makeup tutorial useful, give this video a like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe. It would really mean a lot to me. Next week's video will hopefully, fingers crossed, now that I have my ring light and my new backdrop set up, it will be a fashion video. I have everything ready. I just was waiting for all of this to come in the mail. All of the products I used will be listed in the description down below, and I will try to include links to all of the products I used. Everything for the most part that I used is drugstore or can be bought on like Amazon, so I tried to keep it that way just so everyone can kind of access these products. And in the comments down below, let me know what your favorite idol anime is. Recently I've been getting into Idol Master, and I need more idol series to become casually obsessed with. So if you have some recommendations, I would super appreciate it. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!